It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 1st of September. I'm James Spann. It's a fairly quiet pattern for the state through midweek, with temperatures trending hotter. We'll probably see 90 before the week is over. Check things out this morning. Got a ridge developing over the eastern U.S., a trough in the northwest, but clearly the eastern half of the nation will trend hotter for the rest of the week. Starting off the day around 70 in most spots. We'll expect a high probably between 87 and 90 today. You know, Birmingham has gone 16 consecutive days with a high under 90, which is stunning for August. But I think we will hit 90 clearly before the week is over with this pattern. That's the day one convective outlook. No organized severe weather around the nation. And basically no green for Alabama. That means we'll be dry today. Over the next 5 days, we do expect some rain. We'll probably see a few scattered showers and storms over the Labor Day weekend. This, by the way, is valid through Sunday morning, suggesting amounts of under 1/4 of an inch for the northern half of the state. Little heavier totals down to the south, but understand if you've got a beach trip coming up for Labor Day, about 6 to 8 hours of sun each day with a typical chance of scattered storms. No big widespread rains expected there. Tropical weather, no issues for the Gulf or most of the Atlantic Basin. The one system on the board is way, way, way out there. Tropical Storm Fred. It peaked briefly yesterday as a hurricane. Now it's on the downhill side. It's just northwest of the Cape Verde Islands, moving northwest. And as this thing gains latitude, it will be fizzling out later this week with dry air, shear, cooler water. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. 594 heat ring is just east of Florida, but you can see a general ridge over much of the central and eastern U.S. And down below that, we should be dry today. Partly sunny. The GFS shows 89. The NAM shows 90. Models have been showing a warm bias in recent weeks. I think most spots probably upper 80s today, but tomorrow, yeah, a good chance we see 90 with a good supply of sunshine. Chance of rain so small we're not going to mention it. And really Thursday, I guess you might argue for a slight chance of a shower Thursday afternoon, but most places will stay dry. Low 90s are likely, and the same thing on Friday. Could there be a shower? Yes, and we've mentioned widely scattered afternoon and evening showers on Friday. The GFS is showing 93. Be a little toasty for early September, but hey, the hottest temperature ever in this state on record came September 5th, 1925. It was 112 at Centerville. Speaking of September 5th, this is Saturday, September 5. Big trough in the western states. Look at the 594 heat building over Michigan and New York. It's going to be very hot up there. For us, moisture is increasing under that heat bubble, and we will see a little higher coverage of scattered showers and storms. And that's not to say it's going to be a rainy day. I wouldn't call it that, but no doubt if you got something planned outdoors, you might have to dodge a shower or storm from time to time. And that'll be the case for the rest of the holiday weekend. This is Sunday. I'd say highs in the mid to upper 80s with a mix of sun and clouds and scattered showers and storms. In Monday, maybe a little drier. Same thing, highs between 85 and 88. And this is a week from today, Tuesday, September 8th. Nice trough passing through the Great Lakes, squelching their heat. Got a 594 heat ring building west of the state. And again, for us, very typical quiet weather. Partly sunny, maybe a shower in spots. Here's the end of the forecast, September 10th. Heat ridge centered west of the state. And again, nice, quiet, calm. Highs probably in the 80s. In fact, here's a look at the numbers. This week we'll be up there in the low 90s later this week, and then next week the numbers are coming down. Highs in the 80s and lows going in the 60s, and that's about where we ought to be for this time of the year. Bottom line is a nice, benign, quiet pattern here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television site, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.